Hey, everybody. This is Micah Lieberman with CHI. I run Scope and Clinico, the B2B marketplace. Many of you are going to see us very soon. And at Scope, the Summit for Clinical Ops Execs, February 3rd through the 6th. So one of those many us's is Chris Venezia. Chris is a CEO of ProofPilot. They have been at Scope since their founding, actually. I have long history with Joe Kim, who what's Joe's title? Is he Chief Commercial Officer? What is Joe's title with you, Chris?
Joe is the chief strategy officer. I
Chief
mean, Joe is
Strategy
all
Officer.
all about
Okay.
strategy.
Okay, cool. So, and every year at Scope, you guys have been very successful doing things that are educational, meaning you're telling people how you're trying to improve clinical innovation and clinical trials, but you also do fun stuff. So really quick, Chris, tell people who you are, tell them what you do, and then let's talk about Scope.
Yeah, no, thanks, Micah. And yeah, we're really excited. Scope is upcoming in a couple, 10 plus days. So we're fired up to get there. Proof Pilot is an organization that simplifies clinical trial experience. So we help deploy patient and site experiences, both for pre-enrollment, enrollment, and then obviously post and study conduct. So we help simplify it, make it easier for patients to join, manage their day-to-day process, and then more importantly, we help sites obviously bring those patients on board and make it easier to actually conduct the study.
Yeah, and I also should call out that you guys were one of our finalists in the Participant Engagement Award and also been involved in the Site Innovation Award. So good, good. Okay, you have good experience at Scope, coming at it from an attendee, from an exhibitor, from a speaker, and things like that. So one of the we've done some fun stuff together. I don't know if people remember the kind of World Guinness Book of World Records. That was so fun. The robot, that was fun. Tom Cruise, we have a good time together. And I think Scope's informal, despite, kind of the important topic we are all addressing. It is a very informal event. What is your experience at Scope, and how does that what could you tell other companies? They don't have to be in your same space, but there's a lot of new people at Scope every year, and it blows my mind how many people are new. So what can they learn from you? What would you advise them?
Yeah, no, thanks. A great question. I think what Scope does a great job of is creating a relaxed environment in which you could exchange information, ideas, and talk about really important topics, but do it in a setting in which, it's engaging and fun, right? And I think just obviously being in Florida, it's a beautiful time of the year.
Yes.
The hotel you guys have chosen, everything about it creates an experience in which everybody can actually share information in a more engaging way, and that sticks with you, right? And I think that's
Yeah.
why Scope, and especially this time of the year is one of my favorite times of the year, because you actually walk out of there with some meaningful impact, not just from commercial standpoint, but actually exchanging information, ideas, and improving your day to day.
That's great. Thank you. That's a great sales pitch for me, Chris. So I mean, it's just great.
Exactly.
And it is true. It is. We really try to keep it fun. There are companies that have been born out of our conference. There's a lot of deals that get done. People get hired. People learn new things. They realize, you know what, I have partners, but I need more. They didn't even realize that some of the partners they've worked with for years, they never met them, and they meet them there. So there's a lot for that. There's a lot to be said because clinical trials is not a commodity. We're not selling objects or things. These are very complicated services that involve projects and people and patients and sites and all these stakeholders in a highly regulated environment. And it takes a lot of trust. And sometimes you need to break bread. You need to have coffee with somebody. You need to be around others with them, and you have mutual friends. So it is powerful and it is important. I don't want to give anything away. Are you guys going to be doing anything crazy, inappropriate, fun, or shocking at Scope this year from ProofPilot?
All of the above.
Good.
Yes, we'll be there in full Proof Pilot gear and attire, with some innovative ideas to draw attention and have fun with the topic that is clinical trial experience.
And you have some new people on board that will be coming. I know quite a few of your people, but
Yeah.
you have some new folks and they'll be coming, and I'm really kind of happy to see them, and I'm excited to meet them as well.
Yeah, no,
Cool.
we're very excited. I encourage everyone who's still thinking about attending the conference this year to jump on board quick. There's still some hotels available nearby that you should jump on. But yeah, it's an
Yeah, you
amazing
figured
event.
that out.
Excited.
That is a challenge. All right, cool. All right, Chris. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for talking. Thanks for
Absolutely.
always being at Scope. We appreciate it.